Umndeni ushaqekile ngemva kwesigameko sokudutshulwa kubulawe uJohn Dikgoele obeyiphoyisa eBloemfontein. Sengokwesibili kudutshulwa kubulawa abantu egcekeni lalomuzi kuleminyaka emibili edlule. Ukubulawa kaDikgoele kuza kusaphele insuku ezimbili nje kubungazwe usuku lokuhlonipha umsebenzi wamaphoyisa iNational Police Day ngolwesihlanu. Umndeni usola ukuthi kusukela ngo-2020 impilo kaDikgoele ibisengcupheni ngeshwa ngaleso sikhathi ababulali badubula umuntu ongesiye njengoba kwadutshulwa umlamu wakhe esegcekeni. Amaphoyisa asichaze njengesishaqesayo lesi sigameko njengoba uDikgoele ubengumuntu obezithobile.
Around 2 o'clock he came, he was somewhere, then he came, I opened a door for him, so I went back to the bed. Yeah, then I heard the shot, so I phoned the police I phoned the police.
Uphiko lwamaHawks luthi ilungu lomndeni belihamba noDikgoele ngesikhathi edutshulwa liselashwa esibhedlela.
From the information that got 2 unknown suspects then came from the vacant yard where they came inside his yard and then shot him together with the lady that he was traveling with, whom she sustained injuries.
Inyunyana yamaphoyisa namajele iPop Crew ithi inethemba lokuthi kuzoba seqhulwini ukubulawa kwamaphoyisa kokuzobhungwa ngakho engqungqutheleni yamaphoyisa ipolice indaba ezobanjwa enyangeni ezimbalwa ezizayo.
So we want to obviously urge our minister to actually look into legislative frameworks that would ensure that police are protected, but as well as ensuring that we also get communities participating in ensuring that we fight crime together. We think police cannot do it on their own.
Inyunyana yamaphoyisa ibike yacela ukuthi kuthathwe njengokuvukela umbuso ukubulawa kwamaphoyisa. Ithi ukubulawa kwephoyisa elilodwa nje kuukusikaza umbuso ngejuzi.